I'm Bob. This is my farm. Would you like to meet all my animals? Yes? Okay, let's get started. This is a duck. This is a cow. A white rabbit. This is a sheep. A black sheep. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? A colorful rooster. This is my gray donkey. He loves bumping into things. And this is my white sheep. These are my cute pig couple. This is my llama. This is a brown chicken. And a baby yellow chick. This is my beautiful brown horse. He's very fast. Hey Bob, I brought you some more animals. Why, thank you, Jack. Let's go check out what you brought. I brought you a cow and a pig.
Wow, let me see.
Alright, let me open it up. Okay, come on down. Thank you, Jack. They're lovely.
Bye.
Well, that's it for this time, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.